This short video will talk about how to use Venn diagram to get probability of an event. Though actually Venn diagram is not very helpful in finding the probability of a single event. For example, if there are 14 boys and 26 girls in a class, and if a student is randomly selected from the class, what is the chance of selecting a boy? This question is about a single event, and that event is the gender of the selected student. The calculation method is the chance of picking a boy is a total of 14 boys divided by a total of 40 students in the class. The chance is 14 out of 40, which is 7/20. If this question is solved by a Venn diagram, it will be: first, the circle represents the boys who has 14, and the rectangle represents the total number of students in a class, and girls account for 26 of them. Of course, the diagram can also help us to calculate the chance of picking a boy is 14 out of 40, but you can see that this diagram does not help with the ease of calculation. But if you are asking about double events or multiple events, Venn diagram will be great. For example, if there are 14 boys and 26 girls in the class, and among them 15 students play basketball, while 4 are boys, then again randomly select a student from the class. In this case, the exam questions can be about a double event. The first event is the gender of the student, and the other event is whether the student plays basketball. So the question can ask the probability that the selected classmate is a boy, this a single event, or ask the probability that the selected student is a boy who plays basketball, this is a double event. It can also ask if the selected student is a girl, what is the chance that she plays basketball? In this case, we can draw a Venn diagram. The red circle represents the boys, the blue circle represents students playing basketball, and the rectangle represents the entire class. The number of students can be easily obtained using this diagram. For example, the chance of picking out a boy is 4 plus 10. Divide by the sum of all the numbers, which is 40, and the answer is 14 by 40, which is 7/20. If a question is about the chance of picking out a boy who plays basketball, you can easily see in the diagram that there are only 4 boys who meet the conditions, and the chance is 4/40, which is 1/10. Or if the question asks, provided the selected student is a girl, what is the chance of her playing basketball? That is 11 divided by the total number of girls, 11 plus 15. The probability is 11 by 26. We can see that if a question is asking about a double event, Venn diagram helps a lot. Hopefully this short video will help you understand when Venn diagram is needed and how to use it to find probability of multiple events. But one thing we need to know is, there is a tricky thing when using Venn diagrams. What is it? If you want to solve AS or A-level exam questions easily, I have made some short videos. You just need to fill out the form in the description box. Choose the short videos that you think will be helpful to you. Then we will contact you within 24 hours to provide assistance. Good luck with your math exam.